If the left probe relay is showing both the green and orange lights, then the tank should be filling. If you notice it isn't, then you'll need to check the isolator is in the on position and that the filter is clear. To check your filter, turn off the isolator, remove the filter cap, remove the filter and then check it's clean of debris. When the tank is full and all the probes are submerged underwater, it will stop filling automatically. You'll note that the probe relay is now showing a green light on the left and a green and orange light on the right. So your unit is now ready to run.